Assalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Hey Sawal, long time to sell. It felt like I guess since we last time got.
Hey Fajar, yeah, it really has been a while. I think the last time we met was at the cafe near campus, right?
Oh yes, the one with the really good chocolate cake. That was like what 6 months ago.
More like 8 months, I think. Time feels so fast.
True. So how have you been?
I've been doing alright, busy with work as usual. I've also been experimenting with some personal projects in my free time. What about you?
Pretty much the same. Colleagues live in the tense excitement group project exam sometimes. I rarely get enough sleep.
Oh, I remember those days. Honestly, I don't miss the stress, but I do miss the fun part, hanging out with friends, staying up late to finish projects together, logging over silly mistakes.
Yes, I just had a group project last week, and we spent half the time arguing, but who solved the what in the end. We did everything at the last minute.
Classic student teamwork. But trust me, those are the memory you'll look back on and laugh about later.
I hope so. Right now, I just want to graduate and get a job. Stable job.
That's what everyone thinks at your stage. But later, when you're working 9 to 5, you'll realize that student life had its own charm.
Maybe you're right. By the way, do you still play basket on weekends?
Not every weekend, life's busier now. But I try to play at least once a month to stay active. What about you? Still doing photography?
Yes, but not as smooth. I use it to. Sometimes I take photo for campus event. People often ask me to edit them. It's tiring but fun.
You're talented, Fajar. Have you ever thought about turning that into a side business, like covering weddings, birthdays, or graduation events?
I have a doubt about it, but I'm not confident enough.
Don't under, don't underestimate yourself. Even small projects can grow into something bigger. You never know until you try.
True, maybe I have give it a shot after this semester.
Uh, that's the spirit. Speaking of projects, I've been working on an app for language learning.
Oh, really? That sound ambitious. Tell me more.
It's still in the early stage. The idea is to make short and interactive lessons that people can do in just 5 minutes a day.
That's clever. People read so pushy. So busy these days. A short daily lesson will be more appealing than long uh, units.
Exactly. The challenge is consistency. It's hard to stay motivated when progress feels slow.
I know that feeling. I started learning Spanish last years, but I gave up after 2 months.
At least you tried. I once tried to learn Japanese. I got stuck after learning hello and thank you.
Oh, I know that. Konnichiwa and arigato, right?
Yes, that's basically where stopped.
Don't worry, most people are like that. Language learning is tough, but your app idea is cloud really help people like you.
Thanks. Actually, I could use some design help. I'm not very good at creating visuals.
Maybe I can help. I enjoy designing layout and working with photos.
That will be amazing. Even some feedback from you will mean, mean a lot.
Of course, just promise me one thing: if you become successful, you remember me.
Deal. You'll get full credit as the creative partner.
Perfect. So tell me, where do you see yourself 5 years from now?
Hopefully, running a small tech company, maybe traveling the world a bit. What about you?
I did love to finish my master degree and maybe work abroad. Europa sounds nice. Italy, France, or maybe German.
That sounds amazing. You'd love the photography opportunities there. Imagine taking pictures in Paris or Rome.
Oh yes, that would be a dream come true.
Uh, Dreams are important. They keep us moving forward even when life gets tough.
True, but sometimes I worry too much about the future. Like, what if things don't work out?
That's normal. Everyone worries. But remember, life isn't about having a perfect plan. It's about adapting along the way.
Yeah, you are right. Good. I should focus more on the journey instead of stressing over the destination.
Exactly. Small steps every day lead to big change.
Thanks, Sawal. Taking to you always makes me feel better.
Anytime, Fajar, that's what friends are for.
You know what? Next time, that's not just talk. Let's actually plan something fun, like a day trip or even a short vacation.
That sounds great. Where would you want to go?
Maybe the beach. I haven't been to one in a long time. Relaxing, taking picture, eating seafood.
Perfect. I could use some sun and sand too. Let's make it happen before the year ends.
Deal, okay? I should probably get back to my excitement now.
And I should get back to work, but I'm glad we caught up.
Somewhere, let's not wait another 8 months before we meet again.
Definitely not. Next time coffee, basketball, and maybe some beach planning.
Sound perfect. Bye, Sawal.
Okay, bye. Bye Fajar. Take care.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.